Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you on how to go live on TikTok without reaching the requirement, which is getting to 1,000 followers. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Let's get started. Firstly, go to your TikTok app and follow the steps carefully. Now, after clicking on Settings and Privacy, kindly scroll down and look for Help Center. After clicking on Account Growth, kindly scroll down and then click on Need More Help. Now type on the keyword live. Next, click on I cannot start a live. Now carefully type your issues briefly, or for easy use, type it in your notepad, copy, and then paste it in. As you can see, our request has been sent to TikTok support and we will get a response shortly. If this video was helpful, kindly leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.